In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up maintenance mode on WordPress.com. This feature is essential for letting your visitors know when your site is temporarily down for updates or changes without turning them away completely. So, let's walk you through the process step by step to ensure your website looks professional, even when it's under construction. To begin, open your preferred web browser and go to WordPress.com. If you're not already logged in, you'll need to do so now. Search for WordPress.com login in your browser and click on the WordPress.com, everything you need to build your website link. Input your login credentials to access your dashboard. Once you're logged in, go to the admin page for your WordPress site. You can usually find this by typing http:// localhost WordPress WP admin into your browser's address bar and hitting enter. This will take you to your WordPress dashboard. Next, let's navigate to the Plugins section. In your dashboard, locate the Plugins option in the left-hand menu and click on it. Now in the Plugins section, click on the Add New button. This allows us to add a new plugin that is crucial for enabling maintenance mode. In the search box, type Maintenance. You'll be presented with various plugin options related to maintenance mode. Find the one that suits your needs and click Install Now to begin the installation. If you've already installed it previously, you'll need to click the Activate button to enable it on your site. With the maintenance plugin activated, you should see it added to your menu on the left side. Click on Maintenance to access its settings. Here you'll start customizing the maintenance mode page that your visitors will see. Begin by adding a page title. Click on Page Title and input a suitable title that conveys maintenance is underway. This could be something like Site Under Construction or Maintenance in Progress. Following the title, you'll want to add a headline. Find the option labeled Headline and click on it to add your desired text. This helps grab the attention of your visitors, so make sure it's clear and direct. Next, click on Description. In this section, you can provide more context, like an expected timeline for when your site will be back up or additional information about the changes being made. This reassures your visitors and gives them something to look forward to. Now let's move to the footer text area. You can add any additional information here, such as a contact email or a link to your main social media page if they need to get in touch during this period. Once you've customized all these fields to your liking, don't forget to click on Save Changes. This will apply all your edits and ensure that visitors will see your customized maintenance page when they try to access your site. And there you have it, a simple but effective way to set up maintenance mode on WordPress.com. Happy editing. And remember, clear communication with your audience makes all the difference.